install. Basically, I love it. I've been rocking this hair now for a week. I had it in, well, it's still my birthday, so I've had this hair in now for at least, I'll say, going on its 5th day, and I think it's holding up pretty good. One thing I can say is that 2 bundles are good enough. I would not say go beyond 2 bundles. Like, this is a whole 2 bundles. Like, look at that. Just let me turn around and show you. This is a whole 2 bundles right here. And I have to say that it is extremely full. So 2 bundles you can't get away, and this is the 18 inches and it reaches me like right here. So I absolutely love this hair, and I love the fact that it blends into my natural hair. The products that I have used to straighten my natural hair is the OGX Silk Blowout Spray, and to try to tame my edges, because I do not use heat on my edges, to be honest. I use the Edge Booster, the pink one. It's quite good. I think it was passion fruit or whatever the scent is, but it smells really amazing. And as always, my wooden trusty edge brush with my Baby Bliss flat iron. Almost forgot right there. So yeah, so this is the end results. I love it. I was gonna have her layer the front for me just to add more definition, but I wanted to rock it more like this for a while first before I go ahead and do any adjustments. I think probably for Christmas, I think, if God spares life, I might invest in the 22 inches, because a girl, you guys know, a girl loves her longer inches, especially when I'm going on vacation, because I want to look glam, I want to look fabulous. So yeah, excuse the towel in the background there. I'm staying at a hotel for my birthday, so things are a little unscheduled right now, you know, as we're getting ready to go out and have a little din. It's the night after the birthday celebration, but you know, celebration still continues. Anyhow, let's not get distracted. So yeah, this here is definitely a bonus. I would definitely say go out and copy it because it's good. It might be pricey, but it is well worth your coins, and it blends so perfect. I only ran the flat iron over my natural leave-out like one time, and see, it blends, like it blends in so freaking well. And that's what I love about this hair, like it blends to the T. So yeah, so guys, until next time, I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Peace.